Are you looking for free UPSC lectures? If so, you've come to the right place. No matter how many videos you watch on the internet, nothing ever seems complete or relevant for this huge exam. Vysh, IAS channel has had the reputation of making the best and free lectures for both prelims and mains since 2017. The Modern History Lectures on our channel by Vysh Sir is the most viewed and appreciated video series in the entire YouTube platform till date. We have lot more free video playlists like R.S. Sharma for Ancient History, Satish Chandra for Medieval History, NCERT of History and Geography, Prelims and Mains Guidance, Solved Previous Year Papers, and much more. Other than lectures, we have complete free guidance on how to prepare for prelims and mains, what books to buy, how to choose optional subjects, how to manage time, how to make a 365-day study timetable, how to make perfect notes for UPSC, how to eliminate options and solve prelims questions faster, and much more. We are planning to proceed with more free lectures of the following topics: World History relevant for mains exams, Environment by Shankar, Art and Culture by Nithin Singhania, Polity by Lakshmikant, and much more. The playlists for most of them are already available with few chapters. We look forward for your subscriptions on YouTube to start putting out free videos for you. Hit the subscribe button now and leave a comment of which lectures you are looking for. Together, we can make this channel the most genuine and free YouTube channel for preparing for this prestigious examination. See you soon with a lot of free videos. Have a nice day, aspirants.